Welcome back, Torrpreneurs. It's your host, Tor, and today we are diving into the world of AI art. In the next few minutes, we will not only create a stunning piece of digital art, but we will do so using a free AI generator called MidJourney 5.4. Prepare to be amazed by what you can accomplish with the right prompts and a little guidance. To get started, we will need to navigate to Discord. For those of you unfamiliar with this platform, it's essentially a digital hub for various communities, similar to WhatsApp, but with more focus on group interaction. If you don't have Discord, simply go to discord.com and follow the prompts to create an account. After setting up your Discord, the next step is to join the MidJourney server. Doing so is a piece of cake. Just use this link, discord.g/midjourney. We've got it in the description below for your convenience. Confirm the invite, and voila! You're now a part of the MidJourney community. This server is your gateway to interacting with MidJourney. All you need to do is locate one of these newbie channels and type /imagine. This command prompts MidJourney to generate an image based on the keywords you provide. The real fun begins when you start giving directions to the AI. You can specify a scenario, theme, or even a scene from your favorite fantasy story. For example, let's generate an artwork of a dragon riding scene. We'll also add a few extra commands to refine the image. If you're after a realistic and detailed output, make sure to specify V4, which tells MidJourney to use its most advanced version. Also, you can define your preferred aspect ratio using the R command. For instance, R2:3 for a portrait-style image. Now we wait for our masterpiece to materialize. While we're waiting, here's something to ponder. If you find this tutorial helpful and want more in-depth content on how to harness the power of MidJourney for your creative or income-generating endeavors, drop a comment below saying, "I want to learn." If we hit 1,000 comments, I'll put together a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial on how to maximize your MidJourney experience. Wow, would you look at that? Our dragon rider has come to life in less than a minute. The beauty of MidJourney is that it doesn't stop with just one option. It presents you with 9 different versions of your idea, allowing you to choose the one that resonates with your vision the most. Here's a quick guide to what you see on your screen. U stands for upscale, which means if you find a particular version appealing, the AI will enhance it to full resolution. V is short for I like this version, directing MidJourney to generate more variations of that style. The arrows simply mean go back, try again. I'm drawn towards version 3. It's the closest to what I had in mind. So let's see more of this style. We type V3, and there it goes, generating even more variations of our chosen version. This process of iteration can help refine your AI-generated artwork to the point where it aligns perfectly with your vision. Let's say we're happy with the second variation from this set. We type upscale 2, and there we have it, our masterpiece in full resolution. Now the cherry on top. MidJourney allows you to generate 25 of these intricate artworks for free. After you've used up your quota, it costs just $10 a month to generate up to 100 artworks. Plus, you'll also be able to generate your artworks privately. There's more though. When you subscribe, you can send the full resolution picture to your email directly from this platform. Just go to the message of your selected image, add an email emoji reaction, and the MidJourney bot will DM you the picture. Fast, efficient, and user-friendly. And there you have it, Torrpreneurs. In less than 10 minutes, we've navigated the vibrant world of AI art with MidJourney, created a captivating piece, and learned how this tool can be a valuable asset for your creative or business needs. If you're hooked and want to dive deeper into the potential of MidJourney, remember our little deal. Comment below with "I want to learn," and let's unlock the doors to mastering AI art creation together. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI trends, tools, and techniques. We're all about leveraging AI to scale your business here at Torrpreneur. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and let's harness the power of AI together.